A very, very good evening to all of you, friends. A very, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So, friends, since you guys are all preparing for Maharashtra CET entrance examination, it is very pertinent for each and every one of you to understand the kind of questions that are generally asked in this particular entrance examination. Now, CLAT and Maharashtra CET, when you compare these two entrance examination, आपको समझ में आएगा that the questions that are asked are very, very different insofar as these two entrance examination is concerned. So today, I'm going to talk to you and make you understand some of the kind of questions that have been asked in the previous years. In the last couple of years, the kind of questions that have been asked in these two particular entrance examination, I am going to talk about the same. So, a very, very good evening to all of you, friends. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So let's begin with today's session. Okay, let's begin with today's session. Before I begin, let me tell you that BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a scholarship test. Get up to 90% scholarship on our preparation program. This test, that means this scholarship test, is going to happen on 5th of February at 11 a.m. Get yourself registered now. The first question: what is the minimum gap permissible under the Indian Constitution between two sessions of the Indian Parliament? The maximum session is 6 months. We all understand. The maximum session is 6 months. But what is the minimum? What is the minimum thing that is allowed under the law? Let's get understanding. Yeah, the correct answer is 90 days. 3 months. The correct answer is 90 days. Very, very important, guys. This is a very, very important thing. 90 days. 90 days is permissible between two sessions of the Parliament in India. That's the correct answer for you guys. Okay? Can we move on to the next important session? The next question: the Council of Ministers remains in office as long as it enjoys the confidence of whom? President, Lok Sabha, Prime Minister? None of these. Remains in office as long as they enjoy the confidence of the... Very, very important. Please tell me. Please let me know, guys. They enjoy the confidence of the Lok Sabha. They are the people who have been directly elected. People who have been directly elected. So people who have been directly elected from the people of India, they enjoy the confidence. The Council of Ministers remains in office as long as they remain in confidence of the Lok Sabha. Article 75 of the Indian Constitution says that. Let's move on to the next important question. To whom does the Speaker of the Lok Sabha addresses his resignation letter to? Is it the Chief Justice of India, Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, or the President? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha under the Indian Constitution, mind you guys, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha under the Indian Constitution lays his resignation to the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Am I clear? Is that clear to each and every one? Have I made myself clear to each and every one? Very good. Very good. I'm getting great answers from students across. I am super happy with those students who are doing it so well. Let's move on to the next question. Fundamental rights have been declared in which part of the Indian Constitution? Let me tell you this. Fundamental rights को भी पार्ट 3 राइट्स कहते हैं. फंडामेंटल राइट्स को भी पार्ट 3 राइट्स कहते हैं. सो पार्ट 3 राइट्स. Am I clear? Is that clear to each and every one of you? Is that clear to each and every one of you? Part 3 rights are referred to as the fundamental rights. Am I clear? All of you? All of you. Any doubts? Fantastic. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights. Great. So, आप लोग जब महाराष्ट्र सीईटी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के बारे में आप जब सोचते हो, ये सब क्वेश्चंस आया था पहले साल. पहले नहीं, मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा उतना अच्छा नहीं है. पिछले साल आया हुआ है ये सभी क्वेश्चन. So these questions are absolutely easy and these are very, very important insofar as your preparation is concerned. Let's move on to question number 5. Who administers oath to the President of India? आप लोग जरूर देखे होंगे कि राष्ट्रपति जी का जब ओथ होता है, कौन एडमिनिस्टर करता है? राइट? Tell me, is it the Speaker of the Lok Sabha? No. Is it the Prime Minister of India? No. Is it the Attorney General of India? No. It is the Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India का ओथ कौन करवाता है? President. President का ओथ कौन करवाता है? Chief Justice of India. Am I clear? Each and every one? Every one of you. Very, very important. Very, very important, guys. So, the oath of the President of India is administered by the President of India. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Okay. Now, the President of India is administered oath by the Chief Justice of India. That's the answer. Moving on. Now, if you are preparing for CLAT 2024, आप अगर preparation कर रहे हो CLAT 2024 का, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 plus hours of live classes, 35 mock tests, monthly e-magazine for current affairs, and the entire content is based on the analysis of the last 5 years. So, if you are really preparing for CLAT 2024, get your comprehensive course from BYJU'S Exam Prep. Moving on, question number 6. Let's see. ऐसे भी प्रकृति का क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जैसे प्रिंसिपल और फैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. An Indian citizen committing an offense punishable under the Indian Penal Code in any other country, can he be tried in India? He is to be tried in India. अगर कोई इंडियन व्यक्ति विदेश में जाके कोई भी क्राइम करता है उसका ट्रायल इंडिया में होगा, प्रिंसिपल कहता है। Mr. Weber, a citizen of India, commits a murder in USA, which is not an offense in USA. So murder is not an offense in USA. In the present case, Mr. Weber is guilty of murder and can be tried in India irrespective of the fact that murder is not an offense in USA. B. Weber is not guilty. C. Weber is not guilty. D. None of the above. Very good. I'm getting the best answers from you guys. You guys are doing great. The correct answer is option A. He can be tried in India because the law says if an Indian citizen commits an offense outside India, he can be tried in India. Very simple. Moving on to question number 7. The principle. Offense can be accepted only by the acceptor. An offer can be accepted only by the acceptor has knowledge of such offer. Mr. Arpit offers to pay a reward of rupees 10,000 to anyone who finds his watch. Mr. Mithilesh, without knowledge, now very, very important. That's very, very important. Without knowledge of the offer made by Arpit, finds the watch and returns it back. Can he claim the reward? अगर मेरे को पता ही नहीं है इनाम के बारे में, मैं कैसे इनाम जीत सकता हूं? मेरे को पता ही नहीं था इनाम के बारे में. Am I clear? Have I made myself clear to each and every one of you? So Mr. A makes an offer कि जो मेरा घड़ी निकाल लेगा, मतलब फाइंड कर लेगा, I lose my watch. Somebody who finds my watch, I am going to give him 10,000 rupees. Now here is a man who is not aware of that offer. A man who is not aware of that offer. How can he claim that offer? The principle says an offer can only be accepted by the acceptor having knowledge. The man does not have the knowledge. Am I clear? सभी को समझ में आ रहा है? Great. Question number 8. Agreement to do an impossible act is void. Impossible act. Rajni agrees with Mr. Bala to discover tragic by magic. Magic. Oh my God. मैं अगर कल आपको बोलता हूं कि the day when the sun rises from the west, I'm going to give you 10,000 rupees. It's an impossible thing. Can the sun rise from the west? Can you discover a treasury by magic? No, you cannot. It is void. The act is void. This kind of an act is void. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Am I clear to each and every one of you? Great. Okay, let's see the answers. Okay, Rajinder Kaur, Shoham. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Loving it. Let's go to question number 9. 9. The principle says willful rash driving is an offense. Mr. Tiwari was driving his vehicle after drinking very important alcohol. Police books him for willful negligent driving. Is it an act of the police lawful? Yes. You get yourself drunk. You are drinking alcohol. The police is stopping you and booking you for negligent driving. Of course, you are negligently driving. Am I clear? Is that clear to each and every one of you? Is that clear? Now, the question over here, how many gave me the answer called A? How many of you? Tell me. Let's see. Let's see. I'll give you the answer. Now, was he driving rashly? Generally, the law is he was driving negligently, right? Was he driving rashly? The answer is no. He was not driving rashly. There is a confusion between option A and option C. You guys have to understand this thing. How to answer a particular question. Let's see the answer. He was not driving. Now, Mr. Tiwari was driving in his car after drinking alcohol. He was not driving rashly. Hence, he will not be liable. Let's see the question. Mr. Tiwari was driving his car after drinking. Was he driving rashly? Might be drunk. He might have got drunk. He was driving in a different manner. He was not driving rashly under the principle. Under the current principle, was he driving in that particular fashion? The answer is option A. Is that clear to all of you? देखिए, दारू पी के जो चला रहा है वो शायद नेग्लिजेंटली नहीं चला रहा होगा. Question number 10. Marrying once again during the subsistence of earlier marriage is punishable under the law. Mr. Kumar and Mr. Pooja was married for the last 4 years. Mr. Pooja met with an accident and she was admitted in the hospital. Unconscious condition. Now 50 days have lapsed and her unconscious condition continues. The doctor says that her survival would be difficult. Mr. Kumar and Mr. Pooja have a young kid of 8 months when they like very much. As there is nobody to take care of the child, Mr. Kumar asked his friend Mr. Lata to take care of the kid. She imposed a condition that she would take care of the kid only if she marries her. This is S. Under these circumstances, Mr. Kumar marries Miss Lata. Now, the principle of law says during the subsistence of a marriage. जब एक मैरिज है, अगर मैं शादीशुदा हूं, मैं दूसरे औरत के साथ और एक शादी नहीं कर सकता. Principle. BV is in a very bad state of condition, medical, some problem. Does it mean to take care of the child, I get married again? So, what should be the answer? Has he committed that offense? Not committed any offense? Not committed any offense? Has committed any offense? Am I clear to each and everyone? The questions that are asked in Maharashtra CET are not difficult, guys. आपको समझना पड़ेगा प्रिंसिपल क्या दे रहा है, फैक्ट्स क्या बोल रहा है और आंसर्स क्या है, ऑप्शंस. ठीक है, लेट्स मूव ऑन. 11. The e-courts project of the courts in India was established in which year? It was here in 2007. 2007 में e-courts का प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किया गया था. Very, very important. The e-courts project was launched in the year 2007. Is that clear to each and every one of you? Moving on. All students graduating from the academic year X onwards needs to clear all India bar exam. I am a pass out of 2006 to 2011. मैं 2006 से 2011 में लॉ स्कूल गया था. मेरा सीनियर भी ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जाम दिया था, and they were the first people to give the all India bar exam. Is that clear? So the correct answer is academic year 11 नहीं, 2010. So students who have graduated in the year 2010 have to give their all India bar exam. I graduated in the year 2011. 2011 में I passed out from Gujarat National Law University. I gave my bar exam. My seniors gave their exam, but my super seniors did not give. Remember that in mind. Okay, moving on to question number 13. Parole is a suspension of sentence. Parole is a suspension of statement. The statement is false. Okay, true, false, partly correct, partly incorrect. Tell me. Parole is a suspension of sentence. Is it true? Is it false? Is it partially correct or none of the above? Tell me, all of you. It is false, because parole is an early release of a prisoner. Parole is not a suspension of sentence. It is an early release of a person. It is an early release of a prisoner. Very, very important, guys. Early release of a prisoner. आसाराम बापू को भी कुछ दिन का परोल मिल गया था. वो और एक बंदा था आसाराम बापू एंड बाबा राम रहीम on parole. Early release of a prisoner. It does because he has acted properly during his entire time in jail. 15 दिन, 20 दिन, 25 दिन, 1 महीना का parole मिलता है. Doesn't mean that he can walk out of the prison. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a scholarship test. Get up to 90% scholarship on our preparation program. The scholarship test is on 5th of February at 11 a.m. Hurry up and register now. Question number 14. The process by which the state ensures that an offender is punished is called investigation, trial, prosecution, none of the above. Prosecution. The prosecutor prosecutes the man. The prosecutor prosecutes the man. Is that clear? All of you? Is that clear? Let's see the answer. Okay. Moving on to question number 15. President Pranab Mukherjee rejected the mercy petition filed by Devinder Singh Bhuliyar. That's a different case. Mahinder Singh Nath. Afzal Guru. Afzal Guru. Pranab Mukherjee did not mercy the petition that was filed by Afzal Guru. He rejected the mercy petition that was filed by Afzal Guru. Afzal Guru, I am sure that you guys are aware of. Parliament attack. Parliament attack में जो बंदा ने किया था उसको माफ नहीं किया था प्रणब मुखर्जी, the former president of India, late Shri Pranab Mukherjee. 16. Which amongst the following is the author of the book Of the Bench? Of the Bench is written by the great judge of India called. Tell me the answer. Former judge of the Supreme Court of India authored the book called Of the Bench. I think I have that book on me. It was written by V.R. Krishna Iyer. Okay? कृष्णा अय्यर का किताब था जिसका नाम है ऑफ द बेंच. ऑफ द बेंच इज द ग्रेट बुक written by Sri Krishna Iyer, and it is a great book. You must all read that great book. Okay, moving on to the next question number 17. Offense of inciting dissatisfaction, hatred, contempt against the government. Perjury, no. Forgery, no. Sedition, revolt. So the correct answer is sedition. The correct answer is sedition. Sedition का मतलब है if you are bringing up some kind of dissatisfaction, hatred or contempt against the government of India. Against the government of India. That is an absolute offense under the law. Is that clear? Question number 18. The National Judicial Academy. Where is it located? Tell me. I want an answer for this question. It's an absolute easy question. NJA is situated in where? Is it in Kolkata? No. Is it in Delhi? Mumbai? No. Is it in Delhi? No. It's in Bhopal. National Judicial Academy, Bhopal. Where is it located? Bhopal में located है. Question number 19. Every suit shall be instituted in the Supreme Court, in a court in the locality, in a court of lower grade competent to try district court. देखिए, आपके साथ मेरा अगर कोई भी तरीके का किसी भी विवाद है तो मैं तो डायरेक्टली सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाऊंगा. तो अगर फंडामेंटल राइट में कोई दिक्कत है तभी मैं जाऊंगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट में. लोकल कोर्ट समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. व्हाट इज लोकल कोर्ट? कॉम्पिटेंट टू ट्राई मतलब जुरिस्डिक्शन है. If a court has the jurisdiction to try a particular matter, only then can it try. So the correct answer is option C. You might not go to the district court. You might not go to the district court. Is that clear? Let's go to question number 20. Dishonor of a check is punishable under the Indian Penal Code, Banking Regulation, NIA Act, or Payment of Settlement Act. Tell me. Under which law is dishonor of check is a punishable offense? Tell me. Dishonor of check is an offense under the NIA Act, Negotiable Instrument Act. Is that clear? It is punishable under the Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881. All of you. Is that clear? Question number 21. Information Technology Act, IT Act, came into operation in which year? Now, under the Information Technology Act, अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि इंडिया द मोदी क्वेश्चन जो बीबीसी का डॉक्यूमेंट्री है हैज बीन बैंड इन इंडिया अंडर द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट. तो अभी कुछ ही मतलब 4-10 दिन का अगर आप लोग न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो तो आपको पता ही चल जाएगा कि इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट क्या है. सो अंडर द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट certain things were banned, some documentary against the Prime Minister of India. This came into operation in which year? Tell me, all of you. It came into operation in 2020. So the correct answer is 2020. 2020 नहीं, 2000 में. In 2000, the IT Act of 2000 came into operation. 2000. That's a 22-year back legislation that came during the UPA government. Question number 22. Criminal trials, an accused is deemed guilty unless proven otherwise. No. Deemed innocent unless proven otherwise. Okay. Always kept in jail until there is the bail. Always released on bail pending trial. There is a concept of no bail. So C and D gets over. Deemed guilty. क्या जब ही एक मुजरिम को पकड़ते हैं क्या हम लोग सोचते हैं कि वो गिल्टी है? नहीं, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि वो नहीं गिल्टी है unless he is proved otherwise. So the correct answer is option B. Is that clear? Everyone? Let's see the correct answer. Accused is deemed innocent unless proven otherwise. That's the answer to question. Question number 23. Judges of the Supreme Court hold office till they reach the age of. अच्छा, High Court के judge retires at the age of 62. Supreme Court judges retires at the age of. Am I clear? Have I made myself clear? सभी को. A judge of the Supreme Court of India demits office at the age of 65. Next question. FEMA. The FEMA Act means Foreign Exchange Act, Foreign Management Act, Foreign Exchange Management Act, none of the above. Tell me the answer. All of you. बताइए इसका आंसर क्या है? फेमा का पूरा मतलब क्या है? फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट. Foreign Exchange Management Act? Answer is option C. Foreign Exchange Management Act. Is that clear to each and every one of you? Is that clear to each and every one of you guys? Okay. So, today we have learned a number of questions which are based on the previous years of Maharashtra CET. आप अगर महाराष्ट्र CET का एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, ये पूरा सीरीज बहुत 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 ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा आपके लिए. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2024. Secure a seat at your dream NLU. We provide you with 300 plus recorded videos across 5 sections, 300 hours of live classes, 35 mocks across all sections on our channel, along with video solutions, monthly e-magazine for current affairs, and the content is entirely curated and based on the last 5 years of CLAT analysis. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do follow us on our Instagram. Do like our Facebook page. Do join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box below. And do not forget to download our exam prep, BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Thank you. Have a great weekend ahead. I wish you all the very, very best for your exam. You guys are preparing for Maharashtra CET. Don't worry. We are there for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye. Good night. Have a great weekend. But work hard. आपके जो मेहनत करेंगे, आप लोग जो मेहनत करेंगे, उसका ही नतीजा आपको इस एग्जाम के रिजल्ट में मिलेगा. थैंक यू. बाय बाय. गुड नाइट.